Okay, it wouldn't be a list of leadership or management books without the fabulous Good to Great by Jim Collins. Oops, getting that right. Good to Great. It's been around for a long time. 2001, in fact, I think it was even before that. It's not everybody's cup of tea. It is predominantly about leadership and management in the corporate sector. But what has enabled it to have longevity is that it is full of concepts that absolutely ring true. So the notion of level 5 leadership is something that comes out of there. The hedgehog concept, which is doing one thing and doing it well. So I talk about the hedgehog in my Starting Strong processes. It's also a concept that's covered by HPT schools, high performing team schools, that you hear me talking a lot about. So the hedgehog concept is excellent. The notion of first who and then what, not always possible in schools to assemble a team and then decide what you're going to do. But reading about the concept of first making sure that you've got excellent people around you who are committed and motivated to get to your vision and to be on the bus. Fantastic. And also the flywheel concept about building leverage. So Good to Great by Jim Collins, always worth having on your bookshelf.